Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for June 10, 2020. It's on the left side here that the chart of SBY daily chart. As you can see that today, uh, the market it tried to test it a couple times, try to get the blue box, which is the heavy resistance area that I have been posted for the last couple of days. The market it tried to get above it a couple times, couldn't do it, and today it's the Fed day, so that's why the market is more sideways yesterday, and today they going down after the Fed and now they not going to increase the interest rate, so they will keep it the same. But doesn't matter what he said. The market is in the short term on the E-mini SP 500. You see that they try to make a double top here. The last couple of days, they come back, they retested, they couldn't do it, and then they were losing momentum. So they try to push it back down. So that's the way of the market. After you have a long distance trip, and then you have to stop somewhere, get a cup of coffee, get some more gas before you can go higher. So right now, the question here, if you look at this candle here, so if the market is break below this bottom of this candle, then probably they will come back and retest the breakout area last week on Thursday after the unemployment report number right here. But if they don't, it means that they still hang around in this area here, and then they can break out and go to test the top of the market. So let's see where the market it wants to do. So right now in the 60-minute chart after hour, the market is trying to put it back down and go into the support area here. Let's see if they're able to hold up there, or they will continue to go lower to test the breakout area here on last Thursday. Okay. So now, if you are a day trader, and you can see that in our live trading room every day, we predefine the sell zone and the support zone. So the market today, when they open the institution, they slam it down, and then after that, after the Fed and now interest rate, the market it pushed right back up right into the sell zone. So if you are a member, you know what is the sell zone, what is the buy zone is. So you can see that they hit here, they retest, they fail, they come back, and then they slam it down. Okay, so that's the nature of the market. So we today in our live trading room, so you see that overnight in a shorter time frame, after the market run up from since 3 o'clock Pacific time to in the morning, they break down the upper support line. After the breakdown, so market open, they slam it down right into the bottom. So we'll be able to, in our lightering room, I guide our member the whole trend down to the bottom. And then after I close my light trading room, the market jig-jack for a little bit and they give me good formation here. They turn around and then they break above the resistance line. They come back, they retest, and I took the first trade, push it back up right into the resistance, take some profit, and then after that, the learn time until Fed day, until the Fed announcement. I come back, I see that after the Fed, they will slam it down, but where they slam it to? They slam it to the PD5 buy zone, and after that, the price get back up above my moving average here. So I took another trade, go straight up right into the sell zone, and definitely you have to take the profit no matter what. So if you are our member, those area we already PD5. Okay, so that's why if you learn how to trade, you'll be able to see those things very easy. So the total net profit for today is $3,724 for June 10. Okay, usually the Fed day is very volatile day, but today they give a very clear direction where they go. So I just took the trade and let it ride and hit to the sell zone and take a profit and call for the day. And after that, at the end of the day, the market they slam it down to retest again, and then they keep bouncing back and forward there, and then they come down lower at the end of the day. So this is what I have it for you today. So if you like what I'm doing for you, please give me a thumb up and please sign up with our YouTube channel so every time I have a new video, I can post it and let you know. And if you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method of trading, how do you apply action combined with a modern technical analysis, you'll be able to pinpoint and make some extra income for you on the day trade. And as well as we show you how to do a swing trade, which you can make a lot more money. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.